Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, then hello and welcome. I can't believe we're already in 2023 and it's already almost February. Although by the time that you see this, I'm sure I'll have already delayed it and it will be like mid-February time. Danny and I have actually booked our next holiday. We're going to a couple of places. We're starting off in Dubai and then we're going to be there for a couple of days with our friends. And then we're going to go to Singapore for a very long layover. And then we are going to Vietnam for 2 weeks. So I thought I would get a hold of some of the sales now, get some of the summer stuff and get my wardrobe ready for Dubai and for Vietnam. I feel like Dubai has a very bougie vibe from what I've been seeing online, so I feel like that's definitely something that I need to work on more in my wardrobe. Oh. I'm babysitting today, so as you can see, I've got someone joining me on this beanbag here. As I was saying, I feel like Dubai is a lot more bougier and I don't have anything too bougie in my wardrobe. I'm definitely more of a casual dresser. So I picked up some things that feel a little bit outside of my comfort zone, but I'm very excited to style them. So let's get into this haul. I did shop at several different places. I've got Zara here, I've got Asos and a tiny bit of H&M. So I think we'll go ahead and just start off with our favorite one first, which is gonna be Zara. These tops that I'm gonna show you, they have been a love-hate relationship for literally months. I've picked these up before. The white one, I picked this up literally several times, but I just could not make it fit. And for the price that it was, I think it was like £20 at the time. And it went into the sale and I thought, right, I just have to get them now and I'm just gonna make it work. So it is this top here from Zara. It's this halter neck top in like this nice silky material. It's not see-through actually. It's got a really nice thick band, ruching kind of detail here, and then you just tie it in a bow at the back. So I picked it up in a white and I also picked it up in an orange. I feel like orange on holiday is very acceptable. I feel like it works really nicely with a tan. And actually the reason why I got this top was because I wanted to pair it with something else that I saw on their website, but the top for that outfit was sold out, so I thought I'll use this top and then I'll pair it with the other item that I'm going to show you next. These tops actually are the exact same size as each other, but they fit very, very differently. So I got both these tops in an extra small. So the original price is £25.99, but I think I got these for about £10. And this one definitely has a bit more coverage across the bust area, whereas the white one, I don't know what it is, but the actual width itself, if I just put them up against each other, you'll be able to see like there's a lot less fabric in the white one covering the bust than there is in the orange. So I don't know what happened there, but I mean, it's a little bit of side boob, didn't hurt no one. So this orange one is definitely my favorite one so far, and I feel like the white just will go with anything. And the reason why I picked up the orange one is because I wanted to pair it with this piece here, which is definitely outside of my comfort zone. It is this midi skirt here, so you can see that there's a lot of kind of ruching material here. It's this lovely stretchy mesh fabric, almost in like a abstract animal print style, and there is a slit on the right hand side, so it's quite a nice thigh split, nothing too high, so you can definitely still wear like underwear and not worry about it. There is a zip to get into on the left hand side, so it's nice and easy. And then on the right hip there is this really cute kind of cutout detail with a tie detail right here. I love it. I feel like this is definitely very outside my comfort zone, very much more sexy kind of style, which I really like actually. And I wanted to get this to pair with this orange top because I feel like the colors work really nicely together, and I just feel like with a tan this would just be absolutely stunning. I'm definitely trying things that are outside of my comfort zone here because this is not something that I would have picked up. I think this full price was quite expensive. This is £30, which I do think is quite expensive for a skirt, but in the sale I thought, why not give it a go? And even if I get like a couple of wears out of this whilst I'm in Dubai, it'll be worth it. And just quickly, the skirt, I got this in a size small. I usually take a 6 on the top or an 8 in the bottom, so just for size referencing. The next thing that I got from Zara is very much my safe zone. Again, there's a mix of pieces in here. Those are like the big bold things that I'm gonna try, and we definitely do have some safer pieces here. I probably have this dress in like 3 different styles already because Zara come out with the same dress every year but slightly different. I actually saw someone wear this on Made in Chelsea and I thought, oh, that's so cute, it must be Zara, and it definitely was. And it is this dress here. This has got a really nice deep V-neck and it's got this really cute broderie on glay kind of style, which you'll definitely see every spring and summer. I love this kind of back wing style sleeve with the cinching on the wrist. We've got the cinched in waist to create some shape, and then the skirt, if I just hold it up this way, you'll be able to see there's this kind of tiered pattern and it's slightly asymmetric, which I really like. I feel like this in the summer will be so nice with some sandals, which I do have a pair to show you guys. Or you could wear these in the autumn winter and wear them with with like cute little cowboy boots and a little biker jacket. This is definitely something that I already own in so many different styles. It's just one of those things that you know it's going to fit you straight away and they just work. I got this one in a size extra small. I thought I would have got this in a small, but I don't think they actually had it in stock. Usually I get these dresses in a size small only because the extra small runs a little bit short, so if I do bend over, this is a hazard in the making. This dress was originally $45.99, which is quite expensive again for a dress, but in the sale I thought I'll just treat myself. This will be really nice, kind of go for beach lunches and things like that. This next item from Zara, I actually thought this might be more suited for Vietnam, but I will be holding on to this for those Dubai beach days. It's this floral SKORT, so it's got this really cute tiered detail. Again, you've got the elasticated waistband, which is always helpful, and then you've got the drawstrings at the front. I got this one in a size small. I thought this would be better suited for Vietnam because when you're traveling and you're sightseeing and things like that, this is like one of those very comfortable lightweight pieces, but I think I'm just going to keep hold of it for Dubai. If we spend any days on the beach, I can just pull this on top of my bikini, go and grab some lunch, and then kind of just whip it off and go back onto the beach. That's everything that I picked up from Zara. So moving on to the next shop, I bought a couple of things from H&M, but they were kind of a mix of autumn winter stuff as well as summer stuff. So I'm just going to show you the things that I bought that were summery based and mainly for Dubai. And the only thing I picked up from H&M for Dubai is this little, oh, the frill detail looks so weird like this. I bought this little bandeau top, just one of those really typical stretchy bandeau tops that you can just pop on top. And it's really nice because then you don't have to wear a bra as well. So one less thing to pack. It's the same all the way around. And I feel like when you wear bandeau tops, sometimes I get that kind of spillage like on the underarms. And because there's the frill detail here, it kind of hides that and makes it look a lot more flattering, which is really nice. I think I literally got this for like £6. I got this in a size small as well. And I feel like this runs small because usually I take an extra small in H&M, and had I got this in an extra small, I don't think I would be able to get it on and it would just be a bit uncomfortable. So I would say size up by one size if you're going to pick this one up. We're moving on to Asos now. So we definitely have already explored like the more adventurous pieces that I picked up, and now we're going back into the safe zone. Baby steps, you know? The first thing that I picked up from Asos is this white linen beach shirt, just your everyday kind of shirt that you throw on top of wearing a bikini, or you could kind of tie this at the front and wear this with some denim shorts. This runs quite long in terms of how it sits on my body. I'm only 5'4". I got this in a size UK 6, but I did actually pick this up in a UK 4 and a UK 6. I am never a 4. It's been a long time since I've been able to get into a size 4, but I did read the reviews and they said that this comes up very, very large, and this is definitely an oversized fit, but I feel like I preferred the wrist on the UK 6 than I did on the 4. I feel like when you size down, the wrist definitely just gets tighter and tighter, and because this is for a holiday, it's going to be in a very hot place, I just feel like I want to be comfortable. So yeah, just your bulk standard white linen shirt. I actually wanted to recreate some looks that I found on Pinterest. I literally just Pinterested Dubai beach looks, and there were loads of girls wearing like white trousers with white shirts and white bikinis and big straw hats, and I thought, well, I probably won't pick up a hat. I'm not really a hat person, but I'll start off with the shirt. And then I also picked up these white trousers. They're definitely beach trousers. These are very see-through, but they're very lightweight and bouncy. As you can see, they're a wide leg style, which makes it extra comfy as well. So you can definitely kind of slip this on top of your bikini. How stretchy is that? This is so comfortable. Again, I bought this in 2 sizes to try because I feel like when I get a size 8, sometimes it's too long, but then the size 6 is a little bit too tight on the waistband. So I'm actually going to go ahead and keep this in a size 8. It is slightly too long on the bottom, but I feel like that's okay. Like when you're on holiday, it probably will be dragging along the floor a little bit, but I prefer to be a bit more comfortable on the waistband. This next set I'm about to show you, you are not ready. This is so sexy and so flattering and so elegant. I feel like this is definitely going to be the first outfit that I'm going to wear when we go for dinner in Dubai. I feel like we're going to go to a couple of bougie places. This is definitely going to be my first outfit, and it's starting off with this really lovely halter neck in a beige linen fabric. This is very similar to the Zara tops I showed you at the beginning, but this one has far less stretch because it's linen. We've got this kind of thicker band here, and then with this there's no tie at the back, there is just a tie around the neck. So I feel like you definitely have to buy a size that's going to be comfortable. I bought this in a size 6, and this is definitely a little bit tight around the band bit. So I've bought a size 8, which is coming tomorrow, so I'll try that, and if it fits better, I'll let you guys know down below. But for now, the 6 does fit really nice and snug. I feel like the fabric here is quite wide, and that definitely covers all the bust area, including just under the arms as well, which is really nice and flattering. This top is going to be paired with something else that is, again, outside of my comfort zone, but sort of playing it safe because the colors are neutral, but the style is definitely not something that I would be usually wearing, and it is this midi skirt here. And this is actually the brand Fourth and Reckless. You've got this ruching detail on the left hip, you've got a zip to get into from the right hip, and then on the side we've got a thigh slit, which is nice and high but not too high, as you can see. And then last but not least, we have some sandals. So with sandals and shoes in general, I'm quite a plain person. Lots of my sandals are just either white, brown or black, and I wanted a pair of sandals that I can wear when we go to the posher kind of beach clubs, or when we go out for dinner in the evenings and I don't want to wear heels, or if I decide not to even pack any heels with me. I went ahead and bought these sandals here. They're by June, but I did pick them up at Asos. I got them in my usual size, so a size 6. There is padding on the shoe, so it's nice and squidgy, so I feel like that will be really comfortable. I have actually tried these on, and these are in the wide fit. I'm not usually a wide fit gal, but these fit just right, so I feel like actually wide fit worked out quite nicely this time round. As you can see, it's that Hermes style here as well. I'm definitely someone who will probably never be able to spend money on a pair of sandals like that, and if I do, I'll never wear them out. This was a very affordable pair for me. I think these were about £30 in the sale, and I can definitely wear this even with the last set that I showed you guys, because I feel like it's that smarter kind of shoe. I also really love how there's like this gold detailing around the shoe. It definitely makes it a lot more smarter and a bit more bougie. So yeah, I'm excited to try these. I'm really hoping that they don't cut into my feet, because I feel like with new sandals, you just never know until you start wearing them on a holiday, and then it's too late. That is everything that I picked up for Dubai. We are only going for 3 to 4 days, so I feel like this is a little bit excessive, but we can definitely carry on wearing these when I go into Vietnam. If you guys have any advice about what I should be bringing to Dubai around March, April time, in terms of like how warm it is, or in terms of like how you should be dressing in the day or in the evening, then please, of course, let me know. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!